So I ordered the super viral steering wheel everyone's talking about off Amazon, and let's see if it's worth anything. I'm disconnecting the battery because I've never eaten an airbag and I don't plan on it today. Before I unplugged my battery, I rotated my wheel to this orientation. Now that the battery is unplugged, I went behind the steering wheel and I used a screwdriver to pop off the airbag. You're gonna feel the clip once you stick the screwdriver in this hole right here. And then you're gonna pop it right off and you're gonna repeat it with the other orientation. All right, now that I've got the airbag off, I have 2 orange tabs I'm gonna disconnect, and I'm gonna disconnect this red plastic piece right here, and it should all pop off. And then this last piece. There we go. All right, now that the airbag's out of the way, I've got a T50 torque, and I'm gonna remove the center bolt. I have to unplug these 2. Got it. And this one. There we go. And these 2 are getting left behind. Bye. Taking the bolt with me. All right, we've got both wheels. And now we have to transfer everything over. Here comes the fun part. I'm going to remove these T20 bolts. Alright, I've got my vibration dampener and I'm trying to reinstall it in the new steering wheel. It's kicking my ass a little bit. Alright, so what I ended up doing was using a little bit of Dawn dish soap and popping them through with that. I'm swapping over my paddles. Alright, I put on my steering wheel. I made sure it's in the same orientation it was when I took the other one off. I torqued the steering wheel to 41 foot-pounds, and now I'm going to plug in my heated steering wheel wire. And I'm going to plug it back in this one. It feels nicer. Obviously a lot more smooth, and I have my red line back. I like it a lot. It feels more like something that would be in a Raptor, like race car. I don't know, like fancy and cool. And my hands don't feel like they're gonna get as sweaty as the one before. So, I like it. Definitely 10 out of 10.